Hi, good morning. This is Miss Maljevic. We are going to be doing our first experiment. So I do really feel bad that we can't do it all together for those of us that are home. However, you guys, if you don't have the materials, which is a penny, a dropper, and some water, if you don't have the materials at home, please feel free to use Miss Maljevic's data from the experiment, okay? And feel free to email me if we have any questions or concerns in regarding the experiment, okay? So just remember, this is our first time doing it, or my first time doing it as well with you guys remotely while you guys are at home, but just feel free to use mine. It's just something different and cool that we could all watch and, talk about together. All right? So the goal today is how many drops of water can a penny hold? So that's what we're going to try to find out today. How many drops of water can a penny hold? Okay? So our hypothesis is, so here's my paper. Now, if you want to write it, that's great. If you don't want to write it, that's also great. Ms. Maljevic just going to do it so that you guys can see what it is that Ms. Maljevic is talking about in doing the experiment. So here's my hypothesis. It says, I think a penny will hold, let's say, 20 drops of water. So I'm going to put 20 there. So your materials are a penny. Your materials are a penny, as you all see, a dropper, and a cup of water. Okay? So right now, I'm going to take my penny. I'm going to move my paper. I'm going to take my penny. Here's my penny. And I'm going to take the dropper. And now I'm going to move the water for a moment. I'm going to let you guys see closely. Oops. Closely. Give Ms. Maljevic a second, because like I said, we're all trying to figure this out remotely. So I said there's going to be 20 drops. So let's start. Here's 1 drop, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Oh, and it's spilled over, as you all see. So I'm going to take my paper now. I'm going to move this over. I'm going to take my paper. And under trial 1, right? Under trial 1, under number of drops, I'm going to write 20 before it's spilled over. Okay? So, my hypothesis looks like it might be correct. Let's see. So now I'm going to turn it on over to a clean spot. I'm going to fill up my dropper with water. And here we are again. Okay? Now, let's look at my second trial. It's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I got to add some more water. 15, 16, 17, 18. Oh, second one was 18. So now I'm just going to get my paper back again. And under trial 2, I'm going to write 18. Now I'm going to move my paper back. And I'm going to find a nice empty spot. I'm going to fill up my dropper. And now let's see what the third trial, how many drops, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Oh, it spilled over at 17. So I'm going to take my paper, and under trial 3, I am then going to write 17 for the third trial. Now I'm gonna move it over to a spot that's dry, which is like right there. I'm gonna fill up my dropper again, and let's see how many times it takes this time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. We're at 21. I'm gonna fill up some more water. 22, 23, 24. Oh, 24, and it's spilled on over. So I'm gonna clean off my penny. I'm gonna take my paper, and under trial 4, I'm gonna write 24. Now, I'm gonna clean off my penny. I'm gonna get another dry spot, which is right over here. Okay, I'm gonna fill up this dropper, and let's do it now. Again, for our last trial, our 5th trial. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Oh, 15. Okay. Now, all right. Now, I'm going to write 15 on my last trial. Now, you want to know the average number of drops. So you're going to then you're going to do 20. I'm going to do the work on the side for you so that you guys can see what I'm doing. I'm going to do 20 plus 18 plus 17 plus 24 and plus 15. And I'm going to get 18 and 8/10. Oh,
that was it.
Hold on. Sorry. I'm sorry. That was the average, 94. 94, right? And I'm going to take 94 and divide it by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 trials. So 5 divided into 94. 5 goes into 9 one time. 1 times 5 is 5. 9 minus 5 is 4. I'm going to bring down my 4. 5 goes into 44. How many times? It's 8. 40 minus 4, right? I'm going to put my dot. I'm going to bring down my 0. 5 goes into 48 times, right? It's going to be 18. So the average is 18 and 8/10. Sorry. The average is 18 and 8/10. Okay? Now the first data analysis question, did you get the exact same data each time you perform the investigation? Why or why not? If you look at this, I'm just going to give you a hint because I'm not going to give you the answer. That's what you're going to be answering on your own. If you looked at trial 1, you got 20. Trial 2, you got 18. Trial 3, 17 drops. 4 was 24 drops, and trial 5 was 15 drops. So obviously, hint, hint, we did not get the same data for each time, okay? And you're going to complete the questions on the Google form, question 2, the variables, and then the conclusion on your Google form, okay? Based on the questions, all right? And you can use this data, all right? If there's any other questions or concerns, please email Ms. Maljevic. All right? Thank you guys. Have a great day.